My friends, welcome back to another video. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the Bittorrent token. Absolutely, my friends. Now in the last 24 hours, the Bittorrent token a huge pump. The massive changes over in the BTT token. The changes of the Bittorrent token is positive now. You can see, my friends, the 24 hours changes is 2.54% positive, my friend. The price of the Bittorrent token increased with the percentage of 2.54%, my friends. And other side, if we talk about the price of the BTT token, so the price is 0.02643 USD dollar. Absolutely, the price will be become very soon a 1 USD dollar if this kind of positive changes continue in a BTT token, my friends. So today is a very good day for all BTT token holders, because now at this time, my friend, the changes of the Bittorrent token is positive. And other side, my friends, if we talk about more about the BTT token, so the market cap of the Bittorrent token is 2.62 billion. 2.62 billion is the market cap of the BTT token. And furthermore, the trading volume 217.63 million. Oh my goodness, that's another step of success of the BTT token, that 217.63 million is the 24 hours trading volume of the BTT token, my friends. So absolutely, that's a massive gains occurred by a BTT token, my friends. Other side, or you can see from this price chart, absolutely the BTT taken a jump, but I think that the BTT jump is the gradually, slowly the price of BTT token is going to increase, my friends. Absolutely, that's a really good news video for all BTT token holders. Hope you feel good about BTT token today, my friends, and I'm feeling very good. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about BTT token.